What about yesterday? Yesterday you missed something about that.
Yeah. Then what you do?
I'm diploma mechanical engineer. I completed diploma and I think in January. My result is on 18th Feb.
It's in Feb.
After I want to go at Maharashtra for doing degree.
And which district in Maharashtra?
Dhulia.
Dhulia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dhulia, I think in Mumbai. What's about you? What's your about what you want to do in the future?
I'm opening my CNG gas pump.
CNG gas pump.
Yeah.
You want to know? You do you want to study?
No, I'm not.
Interested in study.
Yeah.
And what's about SS and English?
Is I'm giving exam at that time, last time. What the result? Passed, then I am studying.
Do you think you will get passed in March?
Yeah, I think I passed.
How?
Because
only 1 month is remaining for your studies,
yeah.
and after 1 month your exam will be there. So you are not concentrating on the study. You already told me that you don't like SS.
SS.
Then
Because most of the student is
weak in SS.
SS and you.
No,
is
SS part geography part is very interesting. If you can remember your map.
Yeah.
If you can remember your India's map, you can create any scenes here.
Yeah, but I am not like SS because it's a very broad and very big chapter in SS.
Okay. Where do you want to open your CNG
CNG pump is near Golden Hotel.
Near Golden Hotel.
Yeah.
Are you getting all documents?
No, I am only thinking and I am opening after this month.
After this month?
Yeah.
Or after you're completing exam?
No, because my brother marriage in 7th Feb.
On 7th Feb.
17th, sorry, 17th.
17th Feb?
Yeah.
Okay, because 7th Feb is today. Today.
No, today.
It's past.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's about your family?
My family is business of gunny bags. My
Gunny
father-
bags.
Yeah.
Where?
It's a GIDC, Surat Road.
Surat Road,
Yeah.
GIDC. What's about your brother?
It's a gunny bags business.
Gunny bag business. Any sister and brothers?
No, one sector is marriage.
What's your I think what's your criteria? Do you have any idea to do how to do a business of CNG kit or something like that?
No, I think my father friend is
Already in
business.
business.
Yeah. Then is experience of.
Okay. Do you think you can get success in that field?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because CNG
Because the CNG gas is very
cheap.
cheap and is most of is all rickshaw and cars is going to is Tulsi Hotel, opposite Tulsi Hotel.
Yeah, Bharat
CNG.
Gas.
Yeah.
Bharat Gas.
No, Gujarat gas.
Gujarat Gas.
Yeah. Then is I think I opening near Bardoli city. Then
Because in Bardoli only one CNG pump is there.
yeah. Then I am opening near to Bardoli.
Near to Bardoli.
Yeah.
Because in Gujarat Gas also some crashes of gases will be there
Okay.
in future, I think so. Because there is no gas for Gujarat. Because many other industries there in Surat and and Jolwa, and they get more amount of gas they need every day.
No, it's not using gas. It's using of.
No, in every
coal.
country there are gas turbines and gas. I visited. I think I visited most of the in companies. I visited them.
Because
I saw that.
most of the companies they used in like coal.
No, there is only one thermal plant is there in Surat, I think.
Yeah.
And in Jolwa, they want to open thermal plant now. I think in December, in this December. No, I think there is no any thermal plant is there in the company. Everybody using that gas turbines and gas engine.
Yeah. And gas pipeline is coming LPG.
Yeah. In every house and everywhere.
Yeah. It's not very costly.
Yeah, it's not like I think 14,000 or 12,000 deposit is there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, best of luck for that. I think you can get a very success in that because there is no any pump is there in
Yeah.
Bardoli and between Bardoli and Kodra. There is
Yeah.
only two pump. In Kodra, one pump is Gujarat Gas and second is it here.
Yeah.
And third one is I think in Vyada Road of Reliance.
Yeah.
No, that's better for you. I also think so because LPG pump is very.
No, LPG is not very useful.
Because LPG is very dangerous for
Yeah.
cars and things. And for engines also.
Yeah.
So I think you can do best in that. So you want to stop your study now and you want to join CNG
Yeah.
pump. Okay, that's better.
Because I am opening my CNG pump here. If successfully, then I am opening another village like a city, Valsad, Vapi, at that type area.
Okay, how you got this classes?
The classes, sir is in my
Neighbor.
neighbor, yeah.
So he's a neighbor. So he told you about these classes or somebody who's
No. My brother is coming here.
already.
Yeah.
What's the name of your brother?
Bharat.
Bharat. I heard about it. So he's now in Badoli today or
What?
so why he not coming here?
He is a business.
Okay, where?
Is GIDC.
So you told me that he is in Badoli.
Means Badoli, touch Badoli.
Badoli. He's living here and go for job or something like that.
No, it's only gunny bag business.
Gunny bag
Yeah.
business. Okay. How do you feel about this topless club? Or?
I feel very good here because all students come here and discussion about any topic.
From which month you have already came here?
I am come here like 6th or 7th month I joined this class.
You came here from 6 or 7 months. Okay. How do you feel? Is it better for you or?
It's better for me because I am like I am studying in English medium in Pune.
Yeah, I know. My sister is also with you.
Yeah, because I am no write English, no learn English, no in English like not I am trying.
No input here.
Yeah, input in me. In all my like 10 years.
I think in Badoli there is very big problem of English
Yeah,
because nobody wants to speak
no
English.
speak in English. Yeah.
If you are speaking English with someone, it would be this, look,
Yeah.
that's enough.
And my experience is because I am going to in a GM class.
Yeah.
Is spoken English class, sir. Then I am talking with English.
Mm.
What